Hi viewers, you are welcome to Yanga Live channel. I am still your presenter Chinedu. Yes, today we want to show you a drive-through from Amawbia to Enugu-Ukwu in Anambra State. Here is the Amawbia bypass. We just passed the Amawbia flyover long express. We are using this bypass to move into Amawbia. We'll move into Amawbia, we'll turn by that roundabout inside Amawbia and move to Enugu-Ukwu. Towards from that roundabout by the right, we are going to Enugu direct. So, but we are not going to Enugu today. We are just, driving through Amawbia to Enugu-Ukwu. That's what we are doing. And this is still Amawbia bypass. Well, let it not be that we are talking too much, but if you ask me, this bypass ought to have been a dual way. But government cannot finish everything at the same time. And this place again, to dualize this place, a lot of things has to go, honestly speaking. And to construct an alternative, bypass, I don't know the possibility. So, but all I know is that this road is almost being overtaken by the population and everything. But well, there is still a solution. Bypass, solution could be in form of constructing the link roads, making them very good and effective. In that way, it's going to decongest this bypass a lot. That is a very good solution. If there is no way to expand, but expansion alone cannot solve traffic problem. If you expand, you still construct other link roads to make it more functionable. So that is that. So here now, this is the Y junction that leads to Oka. This one goes inside Oka. Then the back one goes to Enugu. But we just want to move down there. Then we turn at that roundabout so that we see the link where the road that you follow and you go to Enugoku direct. You see, I want us to see the roundabout down there. And from that place, you are going straight to Enugoku. Enugoku Nise, Agolonanka, and Enugoku. That's how it goes. You see that roundabout there? If you follow this road now straight down, you are going to Nise, Agolonanka, and Enugoku. That's the town that you will meet. So you go straight to Enugoku here straight. Then if you negotiate or if you maneuver this roundabout, you are going inside Oka. Then we are turning back like this because we are going to Enugu-Ukwu in Anambra State. That is where we are going now. So this is the Y junction we just passed now. We are taking the other hand of the Y to move down to Enugu-Ukwu town. Enugu-Ukwu town has boundary with Noria and Abagana. Enugu-Ukwu is under Njikoka local government as well as Noria. So this is Amawbia. From Amawbia we'll get down to Umuobu village. Umuobu village, that's Umuobu town. After Umuobu town, Noria. After Noria, then we are going to end our journey at Enugu. So this is old road. This is the old road that connects the west. Then it used to be the road that you travel to Lagos. So this road now, this particular road now leads to Lagos State. That's the old road people used to follow then. Then if you go back, it goes to Enugu State, Enugu town. That is the old road. Then if you are yet to subscribe to Younger Life channel, please click on the subscription button now, notification button. Let's hear your comment about this video, and please don't forget to share this video, like it as well. So we are moving towards Umuobu. That is, if we are not in Umuobu already. So yes, we are in Noria town. This is Noria in Anambra State. By the right there is the comprehensive secondary school, Noria. That is the secondary school we just passed. So, but now we are in Enugu-ukwu. Enugu-ukwu is a town in Enugoku local government of Anambra State. That is where we are now, driving through Enugu-ukwu. So by the left there is Enugu-ukwu General Hospital. That is the name. Don't know, it's like they've changed the name now, but that fence with green color as the General Hospital Enugu-ukwu. So now this is Enugu-ukwu by the left there. That road leads to Agukwu, leads to Agukwu. So, but we are not going into Agukwu, we are not going into Nri. We continue our movement. All these places are still Enugu-ukwu. Probably by the time we get to Ezieleas, somewhere there, we move a bit, we are going to end this video. So, but if you are yet to subscribe to Yanga Life channel, please click on the subscription button. Let's hear your comments, then share this video, let others see it. I know that so many people have not seen this place for a very long time, so share to relevant people, let them watch with you. Thank you as you do that. So gentlemen, this is Ezieleas. So from here we are going to end this video, and bye for now.